Do you want to learn how to make a quick movie using iMovie? It's really easy. Let's do this. So I'm going to show you how to make a magic movie using iMovie, which is an app that is already loaded on your iPhone. It's this little purple star, or purple square with a star in the middle. Just touch that, and you get this screen. Now in this screen, you can make 3 types of movies: a magic movie, a storybook, or a movie. We're going to do the magic movie today. The magic movie is simple. It simply is going to ask you to select your media from your photo library, and then it will put it into a nice movie with special effects as well as music in the background. So we're going to select that. And what you're seeing right now is my photo library with my different types of media, of my albums or my photos, my videos. They're all in here. At the top of this, it's asking me to choose my media, choose your media. So what I'm going to click first is this intro video, which happens to be right up here. So I'm selecting that as my first piece to go into the magic movie. You can see as I touch it, it highlights it with a little 1. And down here at the bottom, it says in blue, create magic movie. So I'm going to touch that. And now we're back into iMovie, and it's showing me my first piece of media that I've selected, and it's right here, this clip right here. Now I want more than just that. I'm going to go back into Photo Library. In order to do that, down here you touch the plus sign and it says add, and it's asking me where do I want to choose it from. You have a choice of take video or photo, choose from library, or add a clip with title, but we're getting all of ours from library today. So I'm going to choose from library. It's going to take me back to everything in my photo library. And now I need to scroll and find the photos that I would like to put in my movie. Just bear with me a second, because I know exactly what I want to find. All right. The first one I'm going to select, I'm going to actually select 4 photos, and there are 4 photos of me and my older brother when we were very small. So the first one is this one. I'm going to touch that, and it drops right into iMovie. See now? It's a new clip underneath. Now I want to go back and get the rest. I hit the add button again, hit choose from library again, pick my next picture. Boom. Now it's dropping that into iMovie. Now I've got 3 clips. I'm going to add another one, go back to library, choose the next one. There it shows up. And now I'm going to select my final one, go back to the library, and pick that one. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips in there. And that's all I want to choose for this example. So up here in the left corner is the word done. It's very important to hit that. And that should complete the project. The project happens to be called Magic Movie. It comes up with that title as a default anytime you make a new magic movie, but you can change that. You can change that to anything you want. So I think I'm going to call it Sample Magic Movie. So all I did, let me go back to that, I just touched the movie that we just made, is this one right here. I'm going to touch it, and I'm gonna just touch the words Magic Movie, and it puts brackets around it, blue brackets. That's always an indication that you can edit the words in there. So all you gotta do is start typing, or just, you can start by just erasing by hitting the back arrow, and I'm going to call it Sample Magic Movie. It's very important that after I do something like that, oops, I didn't spell movie right, M-O-V, Sample Magic Movie. Have to hit the done. If you don't hit it, it's not going to save. Oh, it says invalid project name. The specified name is already in use. Okay, I will change the name then. Let's see, let's call it Magic Movie. Let's just call it Magic Movie Trial. Wait a minute. All right, let's just start typing it. Magic Movie Trial. Got it. Now must hit done. And now that's going to be called Magic Movie Trial. So here we are. Let's, it's in edit mode right now, because the word edit is here. So we could, if we wanted to change anything, we could. But let's just take a look at what it's going to look like. If I wanted to change something, sorry about those pop-ups. Those are just advertisements. If I wanted to change something, I could do it in here. I could click on any one of these clips. There's a little pencil here that indicates I can edit it in any way. I could even delete it if I wanted to. But let's take a little preview of this movie so far. One more time. So you can see how it fades in and out. It moves from one picture to the next. Adds music. I hit done. All right, so I'm done with this. I'm happy with the sample I showed you. It's still residing only in iMovie on my iPhone. And also if you have a MacBook, it'll show on your MacBook, because all of your Apple products are interconnected. But say you wanted to send this to somebody, or on Facebook, or just in an email or something, you have to do the send arrow right there. I'm going to touch that, and I am going to save my video. I'm just going to say save video, and it's going to save that video to my, it's saying that it's exporting media, and now it says that the movie was exported to your photo library. Just hit OK. Now you can get out of this Magic Movie, or this iMovie app, just simply by closing the app. And now I'm going to go back and find it. It said it exported it to my photo library, and there it is right there. So let's watch it. So that's how you make a magic movie in iMovie on your phone, on your iPhone. And now that it's in my photo library, I could send it anywhere I want to. I could send it to Facebook or YouTube, any social media, or attach it to a text to a friend or a family member. So I hope that was helpful. And go ahead and give it a try.